Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. Now, just like a lot of you, this year, 2021, there's a lot of re-evaluation that needs to be done for me, especially on this channel, and it's something that I'm very excited about. Sometimes you definitely have to do self-introspection. You have to talk to yourself, think of your ideas, and think of the directions you want to take. You did see that today's video is going to be about outdoor cooking, and that's exactly what it's going to be about. A lot of you guys love seeing when I cook outdoors, and a lot of you like to see when I go to very nice hotels. So I'm going to be doing something that is going to be quite like a fusion. If you want to skip before this whole talking part, I'll have it there that you can skip ahead and get straight to it. But the videos on Soai vlogs from now on are going to be a fusion. So a lot of times I go to hotels, I go to restaurants, and I've been critiquing these foods, and a lot of you like that. But then I thought to myself, can I do these dishes better than the hotels and the restaurant as a regular person, but outdoors? I think that definitely is a vibe. So from now on, all the videos, well, at least 95% of the videos on Soai vlogs is going to be a mixture of me going to the hotels first, going to the restaurants, showing you guys the foods there, and I will try my best to replicate it outdoors. So tonight, we're going to be trying a dish here. I don't know what I'm going to be trying, but whatever it is that I choose, I'm going to try to make something similar, but by a waterfalls or by a river. That way you guys get to see the hotel, you guys get to see me still critique the food, but then we take it to the outdoors. You guys already know, I definitely prefer being on the outdoors. It's a lot better than in a hotel. But a lot of you like views like these. So I'm gonna give you a quick tour of this hotel room, and then we're gonna go to dinner, and then I'm gonna take you guys on the outdoors where we're gonna see who does it better. Drop in the comments. Let me know. All right, so now I'm gonna give you guys a visual walkthrough in the room. I know a lot of you guys like to do that. You like to see the places I go to whenever I travel. Now, as soon as you enter the room, the first thing you're gonna see is the safety deposit box. Maybe you have your valuables, maybe diamond necklaces, gold bar, chains, expensive phones, whatever it is, you can pop that in there. And there's also an area for you to do your ironing. There's an ironing board for those persons who like to iron their clothes, like me. Now, of course, when you turn to the right of the room, you're going to be seeing, I think it's a standard bathroom. Nice, big, spacious, huge vanity mirror there. So you're going to be able to put on your makeup or whatever it is that you like to do inside of the shower. And then you have a very nice bathtub where you can take a nice hot shower. I like the shower heads especially when they're up high and there's some form of a rainforest effect. I think that's really cool. Now, as soon as you get into the bedroom / living room area, you're going to be seeing the TV. It looks like it's about a 50-inch screen TV. And then you have a little mini bar there. I think it's understocked. It only has water in there, but that's fine. And of course, you have your office area. In the office area, you can, work remotely like I do from time to time, whether it's editing videos or just going on Skype calls with your family. Now, of course, you have the bedroom area, where you're going to see a very comfortable looking bed. I must be honest, I haven't been on the bed as yet, but if it's uncomfortable, I will type on the screen somewhere, "King uncomfortable bed." If you don't see it, it's definitely good. Now, of course, where I'm sitting right now, there is a little living room area with some chairs that kind of swivel halfway and they go back. I think that's kind of cool. That way you can swivel to the left and you can look at the TV, or you can swivel to the right and you can maybe just have some scotch or whatever with whoever you're staying with at a hotel like this. Now, from the bed, you can definitely see a really city nice view, if you get what I'm saying. Yeah, you're gonna be looking out on buildings, but if you look beyond that, you should be able to see the ocean view. If you're here, for example, on a New Year's night, you should be lucky enough to catch maybe some fireworks. I don't know what it's going to be like this year. Now, what I like about a room like this, it is a different type of accessibility. I think it's an accessibility room. So in this room, the balcony is a little bit more stretched. So you're going to have a better view, and then you can look off over into the pool area. There you're gonna see whoever is down there partying, and as I said in a previous vlog before, at the AC hotel they do have events in the evening. So if you want to go down and meet someone, maybe a beautiful girl, definitely check it out in the evening time. It's a great vibe. Alright, so back up here, tried the food. You guys saw what it looked like. I think it was pretty good. Some things are a little bit off, but this is gonna be the fun part. I'm gonna take you guys to the waterfalls or a river, wherever I find myself. I'm gonna do some outdoor cooking for you guys, and you're gonna tell me which do you prefer. Do you prefer the hotel scene with the music? Do you prefer the food that you saw there? Or is it that you prefer the outdoor cooking style? Which one do you think is better? Let's get to that part of the video. Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. Yeah, you probably see smoke, so you know there's some fire, right? So we are definitely outdoors now in this part of the video, and yeah, it's a little bit late, but hopefully we can get this ribs done. I want to do the ribs very slow cooked, you know, maybe give it a 2 hours or 3, and we'll see if it's going to be better than the one that I had at the hotel. Now the one at the hotel, it wasn't bad at all. It was a pretty good one, but I want to try one my way. And you guys can drop in the comments, let me know if you think you'd prefer to try the outdoor one or the one at the hotel. We are here with, you know, the ultimate taster, Keanu himself. He is here. All right, definitely gonna try out the dish today, and he will let you guys know what he thinks about it.
Definitely.
All right, so we got this nice pork rib here. Got it from the butcher. Nice and beautiful. Already used vinegar and water to wash it off. You guys know us Jamaicans do that. And then here we have this hog dirt. Like, that is just fantastic, yo. The hog dirt. And that's gonna be the basic seasoning for it. Not going to leave it to marinate for long, you don't have to. And what hog dirt is, I mean, it sounds weird, but it's really just, it's like a pork seasoning. So it has some herbs in there, sugar and salt. So you see those big grains, those are like brown sugar granules. So it's gonna give it like a nice sweet flavor, along with the seasons that we're gonna add for the barbecue sauce. I'm making a barbecue sauce from scratch. I should add on it on the outside. Bacon, that we should do. This way, that's it, trouble there. So what we have here is just some butcher's twine. Lucky enough, my butcher was kind enough to give me some because I never had any. But you can use dental floss if you don't have any.
Alright, so we're going to make Keanu make a brush. So rosemary and some dried thyme. And we're going to use that to rub onto the meat with the barbecue sauce that we're going to make. So we're going to make our own little sauce and use that as a rub. So it's going to add a little bit of flavor into it as we go along. Use whatever herbs you like. So if you like parsley and want that parsley flavor, then you can do that. So for the sauce, it's basic. We have some tomato sauce, made some homemade strawberry sauce. I'll put the ingredients in the description box, and some honey that I also have on my website, soistore.com. This is organic honey, and that's going to be the basic three ingredients. Ready, cuz? So we're just doing this really quick on the stove because we just want to combine all the flavors, and then that's going to be our basic rub. Yep. Alright, cuz taste it and tell me what you think. For the flavor profile, I get
Getting the tomato.
tomato,
Really, I think you need a little bit more of the
strawberry sauce.
strawberry.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Let me try some. It's actually nice.
I like it.
Come on.
I like it.
It is actually really nice.
This is really good.
We can add a little hog dirt to it and add a little more strawberry sauce. Sauce going good, cuz? Mm. It's the inside slowly cooking. So we're just gonna start basting it. Might give it a flip if I can get it to stand up on the other side. But we'll do it this way so everything keeps moist so it doesn't dry out. After a while, I'll flip it down and then have it open and then finish it off that way. Alright, so I gave it a quick flip just now. So we're just gonna make the heat go and cook the other side as well. And then we're gonna start basting it at this moment. So because it's done with the sauce, excellently done. As I said, world's #1 taster. Up. This is gonna help to keep it moist. Make the stones now. Okay, we're done with that part. So now I'm gonna cut this open really quick and then lay it out like how it's traditionally done. And then we're gonna put some hot coals underneath it and then finish it off. But let me tell you, man, this sauce, oh, it's so good. Yes. Hot. Right. Just to ensure that it was tender. Ooh. And the sorrel jelly that everyone always asks me for. Soai, where's the sorrel jam? Sorrel jam. So this is gonna make it a bit more Christmassy because the one at the hotel had cranberry sauce, so that was like the early the Christmas thing. But we know in Jamaica Christmas and sorrel is very phenomenal. We're accustomed to the sorrel flavor. Oh guys, it's another late evening down here. You know, I'm doing these videos and it just shows a lot of stuff, you know. Like even being here now just shows that you have to really go out there and push the limits, you know. And that's kind of what I want to show you guys, that, you know, if you go to a restaurant or hotel, this is what they're being paid to give you. They're paid to give you good service. You're paying the big bucks. And if you can come out here, or I can come out here in the woods and, you know, create something that is close to or even better, I mean, come on, man, you know. While I'm out here, it's just relaxing. The waterfalls, the river running is just so cool. My cousin's gone now to, you know, take off some of the bags because it's almost 6 o'clock. Yeah. But as soon as he gets down here, I'll cut the ribs and we're gonna see where do we stand with that, right? And don't forget, your very simple job is to hit a like on the video if you appreciate the content, and also drop it in the comment section. Let me know, which did you think is better, my outdoor version of a ribs or what you might be getting from a professional kitchen in a hotel? Alright, so we got our ribs. It's been cooking for a long cause, about 3 hours. Yo, that sauce is ridiculous. Try to find a bone. Cutting on the bone there. Alright. Cutting on the bone. Where's the bone? Okay. Cause, gimme. You're it. Alright, go through, cause. Sorry for the lighting, guys. It's a bit dark.
Hey, really and truly,
Just rip it apart,
this look
bro.
too good, yeah, man. Yo! Sign him.
No,
The sauce, brother.
the sauce is legend, right?
Tender.
It's tender?
Yeah.
For outdoor freaking rib, bro. Like no freaking, what you call it, pressure cooker or nothing, just slow cooked. And we wanted to do it for like what? I wanted to go like 4 hours with it, but the timing, we came here a bit late.
Hey.
I knew the sauce was a win already. Like the sauce is like way better than the hotel's one. The hotel one was a little bit like there was too much happening in the sauce. It was kind of over sauce for me.
Not over sauce.
Over seasoned. No, not this one. I'm not talking the hotel.
I'm telling you, I'm giving it a comparison. This is not over seasoned and not over sauce. Trust me. Oh.
Hog dirt.
Dirt.
Oh my god. I wanna try a piece.
A long time in a taste with myself. Trust me.
Alright. Here's my piece. Sorry for the darkness because it's almost 6 o'clock.
I think we're wrong. The rosemary rub. Beat it.
We almost never picked up the rosemary, bro, because I was like, I don't really like rosemary. Oh my god.
Sour jelly. Always.
You know what's great about this? I think every rib is different. Like you have ribs that are kind of fatty. This one is more on the lean side. So, oh my god,
Round 3.
bruh.
I know say. The funny thing about it. I feel like I exaggerate how nice the ribs are.
No, you remember I was saying I was scared.
Yeah.
I was afraid, like, yo, the tenderness, yo.
Outside.
Oh god. To show you how tender it is, guys, I can bite through the bone. Watch. Look. Yo, man, cook it again.
You want it again?
It's so good, bro. It's nice. Oh, vanilla. Here we go.
Can you lift it up to me? Eat a bowl like.
Then I'm a full light down.
What?
Brother, the ribs, yo, it's nice, yo, fuck.
It's just over camera, but
Huh?
it's not just a camera.
Yo, I know so y'all that give me honest reviews, you know, brother. I don't worry about that. I know your reviews them always honest. Sometimes I kind of say, yo,
Too much honesty.
no, I know like as I'm always say, yo, I don't want to exaggerate or nothing. But it's nice, bro. Like
Try this a piece of it. This a part of the more.
the patty apart. Oh God.
Yo.
Oh God. I don't even hear soccer. No sir. Bro? Man, I'm a type of go up, now. I'm a type of go up.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Nah, kid, man.
You have to go catch it.
Slow down.
Yo. Guys, we're about to mess this ribs up. Remember these three things. Oh, before you even do that, drop in the comments. Make sure you do that. Drop a like on the video if you appreciate content like this. Let me know what you think. If you think the hotel was better than this one. Anyway, remember these three things. Love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, keep the link.